In this video, we will learn how to add security camera to VicoHome app. Although I am showing you to add a solar security camera, but this process applies for any model of security camera that uses the VicoHome app. So it doesn't matter whether it's different model or different brand. If it uses the VicoHome app, then this video is for you. So let's get started. In step 1, we will install the app, that is VicoHome, and we will create an account. I'm showing you for both Apple like iPhone and Android phone. So we need to install the app VicoHome. In iPhone, go to App Store, and in Android phone, go to Play Store and write VicoHome here and get it installed. And similarly here write VicoHome and install. So install it, already installed, so open, allow, agree and continue. Let's get start now. Now if you are already a user, then you can sign in, but if you are not a user, then we need to sign up. So it already installed here, so open. This is the Android phone, agree, go next, get start, and sign up for new account. So sign up for new account. Now we need to region, so United States, and username. So it's different from this one and that one. So we need to create an username. So I'm creating one, and we need to give our email address. Similarly here we need to give the email address here. Now click understand, then done. The next step, got it. Click next. Now we need to verify the code because it sent a code to the email address. So this same process for Android phone. If we enter the email address, it will send a code, and same process for both phone. So I am only showing now for the Apple iPhone. So we need to verify the code here. So they sent an email, sign up, and the verification code is it's 48488527, and we need to create a password. So I'm creating a password. So then done. Now we need to add a new device. So let's go to next step. Let's assemble the camera first. So we have this type of thing. It is, so it will go this way, and it will go here, and rotate counterclockwise direction. So it is clockwise, and this one will go, this one will go actually the solar panel here. Okay, solar panel. It's not done. And when you attach this solar panel in any wall, then use this one. So if you peel it, it is, there's a glue here. So attach it in wall and screw those screw, and you can, it will go this way. Okay, it will go this way. Now this part will go with the camera. So this way, and we need to tie it here. Yeah, now it's ready. Yeah, now it's ready. And when you attach this in wall, you can also the same thing, the wall mount screw positioning system. Yeah, attach this in wall and hold those place, and then it will go this way. Okay, and this part will go here. Yeah, there's a power, so it will go this place. It will go here. So this is a solar camera, and it will charge from solar. Yeah, it will go here, and inside this camera there's a battery. So when there's a sun, then the battery will charge with the solar panel, and when there is no sun, then the camera will use the battery power. So you do not need to be worried. In step 2, we will add the camera to this app, and we will also learn how to use the camera. So first, power on the camera. So if you see, there's a power button here. There's a power button. So press and hold. So press and hold. Yeah, it got the power. And you can see, you can hear some. Take it off, this one. Now add new device, Bluetooth. Hello. So we want to battery device. So this one, I heard the beep. Yeah, because it's making beep. Next, it's a searching for activated devices. Now it's searching. So I heard the beeping sound. Next step, and we want to connect through Wi-Fi. So connect. Then next, allow while using app. Now we need to insert the Wi-Fi name. This is my Wi-Fi and its password. Yeah, so I insert the Wi-Fi name and password. Next, done. Then next step, confirm. Now we need to hold this one in front of the camera. So this way. Yeah.
Wi-Fi connected.
Yeah, so it's Wi-Fi connected. It says, so connect the device to network. New device is found. Register to the cloud service and initializing the device. Yeah, so we can give a name. So smart camera 1, done. Then next step, then let start. Then next step, yeah, it's battery power only. Is solar power or battery power? Yeah, you can choose whichever one. Then next step, finish. No thanks. Continue with free plan, and we can update the version. So update. And if the camera doesn't have sufficient power, then please give the power. So this is the power cable. So we need to give the power, and please insert this in here. Yeah, there's the now it's updating the software. Yep, it's done. So it's going to next step. If we go back here, if we go back, then it's connecting the camera. Yep, we can see now. Yeah, we can see. So next question is how we can use this one. So if we press this one, it will be larger. Yeah, now to make video you can press and hold this one. If you press this one, you can make video. Yeah, it's making video. If you press again, it will stop. Yeah, stop. So video is done. If you want to take picture, then click this one. Yeah, it is taking picture. And if you want to hear the sound, then press this one, then you can hear the sound. And if you want to talk, then press and hold this one. If you press and hold this one, then you can talk to someone who is in front of the camera. So that's it. If for some reason camera doesn't connect to Wi-Fi, then we need to reset the camera. Now the question is how we can reset the camera. So take something like this one. Yeah, the company also give us something like that one. Yeah, here. Yeah, and you can see a hole here. So press and hold, then camera will be resetted. Yeah, this camera is resetted now. Now you can try again to connect, and highly likely it will be connected. Thanks for watching.